recipe for one-pot pasta. This recipe is similar to a Martha Stewart recipe. I was nervous to make a similar recipe because Martha is the queen of cooking. That's the equivalent of trying to sing Mariah or Celine at karaoke. First, you need a really big pan, a pan large enough to hold linguine noodles. Then you need linguine pasta, you need an onion, and you need several garlic cloves. You need sweet tomatoes and olive oil. 4 cups of cold water and 1 tablespoon of basil. First, heat the oil in your skillet. Chop your onion and your garlic and add it to your hot skillet with a tablespoon of basil. After your onions and garlic and basil have browned a little bit, chop your tomatoes and add them to your skillet. Add your 4 cups of water to your tomato, garlic, and onion mixture. Bring your tomato, onion, and garlic mixture to a boil and then add your pasta. Cook your pasta for 9 minutes on high and then reduce heat and cook for 3 more minutes or more. The water will absorb and it will look like this. Plate your pasta and then garnish it with Parmesan cheese and olive oil.